Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm planning to make a cute koi fish pond. So for that, first I have taken an MDF board. Then I have used acrylic paints for painting the pond. So first I have taken white acrylic paint and started painting it. Then I have added a bit of blue so that you'll have that watery effect. Recently when I was surfing in Pinterest, I saw this koi fish pond, so it was very trending because I saw many people have done that. It inspired me so much and I thought, okay, let me also try which were the things available with me. So now the pond is ready, let's start making the fish. For that I have taken molded clay. I have made the fish shape with that. Once the fish body is ready, I started making the wings and tail with the same molded clay. To have a realistic look, I have taken a knife and have drawn lines on the tail and wings. Attached wings on the top of the fish as well. So now our cute fish is ready. Then I have started painting it with white and orange color acrylic paints. Then finally, let's attach few leaves which is made up of super clay. That's it. I just love the outcome. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. For more such cute videos, don't forget to subscribe.